Hello everybody, it is Nicole from iiKiui, where I want to help you improve your art. Welcome back to another mini tutorial where I'm going to teach you another exercise that you can do if you're a beginner in watercolors. Today I'll be teaching you the wet on wet technique. So without further ado, grab some paper and some paint and let's hop right into that tutorial. Hop right in the other way. I think one of the reasons so many people enjoy watercolors is because they are able to mix and blend the colors more easily than other mediums. One of the ways to do this is with the wet on wet technique. You've probably heard about this technique before, but if you haven't, it's basically adding wet paint to either wet paper or paint you've already put down before. There is less control when it comes to the wet on wet technique because the paint will go wherever the water is. For this exercise, I've divided my page up into 3 boxes. In the first box, grab a clean brush and dip it in your clean water. Apply your water to the box, covering the entire area. We are creating a wet base for our paints. Then, grab some paint, however much you want, and add it to the box. What you will begin to notice is that the color will begin to spread because we wet the page before. Depending on how much water you added, it will either spread a little bit or it will spread a lot. You can continue to experiment in this box with how much water you apply and to see how much paint spreads. For this box, I just filled it in with one color using this method. Moving on to the second box, wet your brush and grab some color. Cover the entire square in the color, making sure it is wet enough to spread. Then, grab your second color and start dotting it in your first color. If you used a lot of water, you'll notice it will spread a lot. If you used a little, it will spread less. This is another way you can use the wet on wet technique to make a soft blending effect. For my example, I made a kind of tie-dye effect with this technique. In the third box, grab a clean brush and dip it in the water. Create some lines and dots in the box using clean water. Next, grab a color, any color, and dab it in the wet spots. What should happen is that the color should spread in the areas you wet. It should not spread into the dry parts of the page. And if you want to, grab another color and dab it onto the wet spots, but on the other side or wherever you want. If you added enough water, it should spread and blend into the other colors automatically. The point of this exercise is to practice blending with the wet on wet technique with some control. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial. Next week, I'll be coming out with another mini tutorial on watercolor beginner exercises, so if you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified of when that comes out. And if you found this video useful or helpful in any way, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below telling me what else you want to see in the future. So with that, I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. Keep drawing, keep creating, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!